Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are at the Anil Agarwal Dialogue 2025. My name is Chavi from Center for Science and Environment, and here with me is Mr. D. Venugopal, Deputy Director, Crop Insurance Department with the Government of Andhra Pradesh. What are the key features of the current crop insurance scheme that is followed in Andhra Pradesh?
So actually Andhra Pradesh is implementing crop insurance scheme in various forms right from 2015 onwards, 2005 onwards. So now that we are implementing Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and restructured weather based crop insurance scheme. Basically the PMFBY addresses the issues of yield based crops.
Okay.
Those are yield sensitive, we will notify under yield based. Some crops which are weather sensitive like banana is very much sensitive for wind and everything. So we will notify it weather based. These two schemes are going well in our state. So the key features of Andhra Pradesh is we have very lower premium rate and high enrollment. That is the key features which is very much required for sustainability of the scheme in the long run. So that is that holds the key for every stakeholder. Apart from this, now we are adopting the technology also. So AP is a very pioneer in adoption of any technology. So even our chief minister is also very much tech. So that's why very much. So that's why we are implementing STEC, winds. So whatever the form technology is there, the biggest strength of the Andhra Pradesh is digital crop survey. We started it in the maybe in 2017. By end of 17 onwards, we are doing the digital crop survey in our state. That holds the key. I think that holds the key for success of Andhra Pradesh in crop insurance scheme.
That brings me to the next question, sir. What has been Andhra's experience like, and how has it been the case that Andhra has maintained lower premiums
And
while
highest farmer.
maintaining the farmer enrollments on the higher side?
So that holds the key. So when there is a trust, the premium rates will come down because your data is reliable, your yield data is reliable, your historical weather data is supported by good number of weather stations. So that actually improves the trust of the insurance companies. Thereby, the participation will increase, the competition will increase, and accordingly the premium rates will decrease. That holds the key. Transparency in insurance, any gray is 100% claim. So we don't want any. We are not trying to reduce the gray area as much as possible. I think that holds the key for success of AP.
And what have been some of the challenges for Andhra Pradesh in implementing crop insurance scheme as a whole?
For each year we are having some experimenting something, learning from the shortcomings. So likewise we are trying to improve it. So earlier we had free insurance scheme, so after that universal coverage. So these are all having some merits as well as demerits also. When we travel with them, then only we can understand in a better way what are the demerits. Otherwise there was a say everything looks like on a dining table, but dinner table. But the things are that when you travel along with them, there is certainly we are trying to improve on those loopholes and everything. Then we are continuing our journey.
Sir, do you think that natural farming, which has been quite prevalent in Andhra Pradesh, does it have a role in crop insurance? And
Yeah.
if it does, then what is it according to
Yeah,
you?
one of the ray of hope for Andhra. So because we are almost having 1 million farmers already adopting the natural farming, that is on record. So now that recently we had experienced some flooding in Krishna district or somewhere else in the month of September. So those crops which are adopting, those farmers who are adopting the natural farming practices, that crop shown better resilience when compared with a conventional one. The loss ratio is much lesser. So that's overall it will reduces the dependency on the crop insurance. Anyways, the natural farming is need of the hour and also a ray of hope for the Andhra Pradesh.
And so, if I can come to the last question, then what more is it that can be done in the future when we talk about crop insurance in Andhra Pradesh?
So we need more technology in this field. So it is undisclosed till now. So it is, there is lot of scope for improvement in terms of technology. So technology anyways is the future. Slowly we wanted to improve the increase the percentage of share of technology, and gradually over a period of time we want to transform into the technology driven yield. So now that everyone needs a customized product, tailored product, like you say something, so in your motor, so if I want road assistant means you need to pay more. So in this scenario, in conventional PMFA, there is no such provision. So he wants some top-ups on it. So these tailored product also need to be rolled out. So these are things going to be a game changer, because the now that the penetration is very low in the country. Even though apart from medical, agriculture stood almost third in the entire insurance scenario, but there is a lot of scope for penetration.
Yes, sir.
So these are the things which are going to be happen in the near future.
Well, thank you, sir. Thank you for your insights.